The ocean remains Earth's final frontier, a vast, unexplored abyss hiding creatures beyond human comprehension. But what if something far older than mankind dwelled in the depths, something intelligent, ancient, and inhuman? Today, we'll dive into the eerie world of the Deep Ones, the amphibious beings from H.P. Lovecraft's The Shadow over Innsmouth. Could such creatures exist in reality? How would their biology function? And what terrifying implications does their presence hold for humanity? Let's explore. The Deep Ones are an ancient, amphibious race that has existed for eons, possibly predating humanity itself. But where did they come from? Some interpretations suggest that the Deep Ones are not native to Earth at all, but come from another world or dimension. If so, their physiology may have evolved under entirely different environmental conditions, making their adaptations unlike anything found in Earth's evolutionary history. Alternatively, they could be the result of an evolutionary path parallel to humanity. If early amphibians evolved intelligence instead of terrestrial mammals, they might have become the dominant species of the deep, developing advanced societies beneath the waves. Their genetic compatibility with humans, as seen in the hybrid offspring of Innsmouth, hints at a shared evolutionary ancestor, possibly dating back to the earliest vertebrate life. Another possibility is that the Deep Ones were once human, or a related species, modified through unnatural means, either by an ancient civilization experimenting with bioengineering, or by the influence of eldritch forces, such as their god, Dagon. This could explain their ability to interbreed with humans, something that is biologically rare between species, but not impossible in cases of genetic engineering. The Deep Ones are uniquely adapted for life in both the ocean and on land, combining traits from deep-sea creatures, amphibians, and humanoids. Like amphibians, they likely possess a dual respiratory system, allowing them to extract oxygen both from water and air. This could resemble the system found in lungfish or axolotls, enabling them to remain submerged indefinitely, but also venture onto land when needed. If they live in the deep ocean, their bodies would need to withstand extreme pressures. Deep-sea organisms often possess flexible, compressible structures to avoid being crushed, so the Deep Ones may have a similar adaptation, possibly reinforced with dense, cartilage-like bone to endure both deep-sea pressures and surface environments. The deep ocean is cold, often near freezing. The Deep Ones may possess antifreeze proteins in their blood, similar to ice fish, preventing ice crystal formation in their bodies. Alternatively, they could generate heat internally, much like certain species of sharks and deep-sea fish. Their webbed appendages suggest powerful swimming abilities, akin to frogs or otters, allowing them to move swiftly through the water. Their musculature would likely be optimized for bursts of speed rather than endurance, making them formidable ambush predators. Unlike mindless deep-sea predators, the Deep Ones are an intelligent, organized civilization. The Deep Ones have structured settlements, often in submerged cities beneath the ocean. Their architecture, likely composed of cyclopean stone structures resistant to water pressure, suggests knowledge of engineering far beyond human history. Sound travels differently underwater, and if the Deep Ones communicate while submerged, their language may rely on a system similar to whale songs or dolphin clicks, long-distance, low-frequency sounds capable of carrying vast distances. When speaking with humans, they use guttural, croaking voices, suggesting a hybrid vocal system capable of functioning both underwater and in air. The Deep Ones are deeply religious, worshipping deities such as Dagon and Mother Hydra, as well as the cosmic entity Cthulhu. Their rituals suggest an awareness of cosmic horrors beyond human understanding, possibly hinting at knowledge of ancient forces that predate Earth's civilizations. The Deep Ones are known to interbreed with humans, creating hybrid offspring that slowly transform over time. This suggests a highly flexible genome, allowing their DNA to integrate with human genetics, a rare but not impossible phenomenon. Some real-world examples of interspecies hybridization exist, such as the liger, a lion-tiger hybrid, or the mule, a horse-donkey hybrid. The Deep One's ability to create fertile offspring suggests a far more radical biological capability. One of the most disturbing aspects of the Deep Ones is their hybridization with humans. Children born from human Deep One unions appear normal at first, but undergo gradual transformation as they age, developing scales, webbed fingers, and amphibious traits. This could indicate a latent genetic trigger that activates at a certain stage in life, much like how some amphibians undergo metamorphosis from tadpoles to adults. Deep Ones are seemingly immortal, never aging beyond a certain point. This suggests a form of biological immortality similar to certain species of jellyfish, which can revert to an earlier life stage instead of dying from old age. Their regenerative abilities may allow them to repair cellular damage indefinitely, preventing the typical effects of aging. It's unclear whether the Deep Ones raise their young in a familial sense, or if hybrids are simply claimed by the race once they mature. If they operate in a hive-like structure, offspring might be assimilated into their culture once their transformation is complete. For all of their strengths, the Deep Ones are not invincible. While they can survive on land, they are primarily water dwellers. Extended periods away from the ocean may weaken them as their bodies are adapted for underwater environments. Their skin may require constant moisture to prevent drying out, much like amphibians. Their society appears deeply dependent on worship of their deities too. If their gods, or their connection to them, were severed, it could disrupt their civilization or cause severe internal strife. While physically superior to humans, the Deep Ones lack advanced technology. If humanity ever became fully aware of their presence, a large-scale military engagement could force them back into the depths, assuming they do not have some unknown weapon or cosmic ally at their disposal. Also, if their eyes are adapted for deep-sea vision, they may be sensitive to bright lights, making them vulnerable in well-lit environments. Some deep-sea creatures experience retinal damage when exposed to sudden brightness, and the Deep Ones could also share this weakness. These horrific creatures represent a terrifying possibility, an intelligent, immortal species lurking in the ocean, hidden just beyond our reach. Whether they evolved naturally or were shaped by eldritch forces, their existence challenges everything we understand about life on Earth. Could such creatures really exist? And if so, have they already made contact with humanity? Let me know what you think in the comments below. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, then please hit the like button and the subscribe button and the bell icon to be notified of future uploads. Also, if you feel generous, you can become a member of the channel or a patron. The links are in the description. I'd also like to thank my current members and patrons, who can be seen here. This has been the Bewarecast, and I'll catch you in the next video. Take care.